Let us show you how we bring a pre-owned Toyota back to like new with Toyota's Certified Used program, so that you have the confidence and the peace of mind when buying from Ed Martin Toyota. Because we know that the best new cars make the best used cars. Every Toyota must undergo and pass a 160 multi-point inspection and review of the Carfax before it can qualify as a Gold Toyota Certified Used vehicle.
That inspection has to be based on Toyota's specifications to certify that vehicle. Also, each technician who works on it has to be a certain specification on certification level as well. Each vehicle that comes in has to pass both of those standards with the certified technician who is trained to look for those specific concerns before they are certified.
So first things first, what I do is I like to look in the service history and see what kind of history it has. Then I'll go and run a Carfax and take a 5-mile test drive. After that 5-mile test drive, I'll pull that into the shop and look over the car. We have a 161-point inspection that we do on each certified vehicle.
We only use Toyota genuine parts.
So one of the standards that Toyota likes on their certified cars is the tires have to have a certain tread depth, the brakes have to be within a certain pad life left, otherwise we have to replace it. So we don't want to sell a vehicle that essentially needs a whole bunch of maintenance right after you buy it.
Let's take a look at the benefits of a Gold Toyota Certified Used vehicle.
All of our Gold certified Toyotas at Ed Martin Toyota come with a 12-month, 12,000-mile limited comprehensive coverage, as well as 7 years, 100,000 miles limited powertrain coverage, and those do qualify for a $0 deductible. You also get 7 years, 100,000 miles worth of roadside assistance. All of these cars come with a free Carfax as well, and they do qualify for standard new car rates through Toyota Financial Services.
The warranties are honored at over 1,400 Toyota dealers in the US and Canada. You can easily identify a Toyota Certified Used vehicle on our lot by: number 1, you'll see this sticker right on the windshield. Number 2, you'll see this sticker on the driver's side window. And 3, the no risk Toyota Certified Pre-Owned license plates on the back. Number 4, when checking our website and you'd like to know which vehicles are certified, you'll see the banner at the bottom and also one in the top right-hand corner. Out of the 160 points, I'm going to highlight just a few of the requirements that our techs are trained to inspect. Run a Carfax vehicle history report. Cold engine operations perform properly. ABS operates properly. Transmission and clutch operates properly. No excessive road noise. Minimum 5/30 seconds tread depth. The brake system contains all the needed equipment. The body is free of all dents. Drive belts and hoses free of cracks and damage. They check that the oil, the brakes, clutch, transfer case, power steering, fluids are all at proper levels. The driver floor mat, if equipped, is an OEM floor mat, 2 master keys. We go above and beyond a traditional used car inspection. At Ed Martin Toyota, we know that the best new cars make the best used cars.